Do you want to make logo designing and different design using Python? Then you are correct place to learn. It can be possible by using Python GUI applications. There are different types of GUI application libraries. There are TK Inter, Turtle, by Qt5, Kiwi and all. This is Dinesh Reddy. You are watching Dinesh Programming channel. In this playlist, we'll discuss Turtle and we'll create different logos and designs using Python. Here you can see some of the designs which we'll be creating in our future videos. Now we will see introduction part of the Turtle. Turtle is a part of original logo programming, means it will be used for logo programming. And then Turtle is pre-installed in Python library. Turtle is a GUI application. It is like a drawing board. As above I have said, virtual canvas. It means it will be drawn like a drawing board. And it will be mainly for kids to get knowledge in programming. And Turtle can be learned in a fun and interactive way. Now we some of the uses: logo design, creating pictures, creating animation, creating simple charts, creating designs and all. Next we will discuss about the importance of Turtle and some of the basics of the Turtle. Thank you for watching all this. This is Dinesh Reddy. You are watching Dinesh Programming channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out these playlists for Python teacher and Python